guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natalia and today we're gonna do unboxing of Triyit box. If you're not aware of what Triyit box is, it's basically a service that will send every, I think, couple of months or every month or I don't know, every week products into your house. If you basically what you have to do at the beginning, you will have to go to their website and fill up the form. They will ask you tons of questions. I remember I was going through them for like an hour straight about your lifestyle, about your skin, about your hair, about your family, about your money, about, you know, what you're interested in. If you do social media, they will ask you tons of questions, and when they gather them all together, they're gonna come up with like a profile for you. So if you're gonna basically come up, I think, in their system as you match the certain profile, they will send you then products to review for free. So this is a freebie box and I'm so excited. I was waiting such a long time for it. Ooh, can't wait. This, I think, mainly is a food subscription. I would really appreciate if they would like drop even sample sizes of stuff, like a makeup or beauty product. That will be really amazing, like lifestyle food, not subscription box, but like a service. Because I love beauty and that's the only thing that I have in mind. So they will also ask you, what do you think about the service, what you think about the products, about the companies, about the packaging, about the flavor. And yeah, so I need to do this so then I can fill up my profile, which is exciting, you know. So when you open the box, that's how the box is gonna look. And I saw so many people already unboxing those boxes. I do love the box, how it looks. You get a little envelope that will tell you everything about the campaigns and about the companies, about the products. What are you doing? Okay, anyways, so it's snap, share and win, so you can win something. Not sure what you can win. So that is my box and I'll show you one by one what we've got. The first one is Eat Real, free from all 14 declarable allergens, 40% less fat, gluten-free and vegan hummus, tomato and basil flavor chips. They are gluten-free, so absolutely amazing. I love those hummus chips. I've tried them before, but totally different flavors. I reckon this is like something new. Yeah, enjoy.
I have that toy.
Yeah? Don't put anything there, Chloe. I'm sorry. And the next one is Grace Cocoa Vanilla with a whole oat protein, oat bites. There you go. And the next one is With Words Short Berry and White Chocolate, 98 calories. It's also really important to do those reviews, not only just try the products but review it, so they'll make sure to send you another box, so then you're eligible for another boxes as well. So that's basically, you can top up your cereal with it, you can eat it on its own, you can just chuck it in your bag, in your pocket. It's really tiny, or for your child when they go to school, it's just like really easy to just like pop it in your bag, and you know, it's just a quick snack. But what I would do, I would top it up my cereal with it, because I do love those. And this is a little like a sample. And this is a shot of cranberries, raisins and Belgian white chocolate. I don't know if I told you that. Right, yeah, so this is nice. The next one is Starbucks Double Shot Espresso, as 100% Arabica coffee drink. So this will be, Arabica is a sweet one and Robusta is a strong one, from what I remember when I used to work in a restaurant. So that's espresso plus milk. Wow, okay, so I thought this is just like a coffee when I looked at it. So that's 200 ml and it's 2 espresso inside. Love how the can looks. There you go. I'm going to show you because there's a ring light here. I'm quite chuffed with that actually, because I realized there's a milk. I do not drink coffee without milk. It's more of a milk than coffee actually. I don't know. Write down below the comment if you can relate, if you drink your coffee with like tons of milk and sugar. Yeah. So that is this. Oh, it's the last one. Yeah. So the last one is pepperami original beef bar, a meaty blend of beef and pork. There you go. This is absolutely nice. So that's protein kick, and it's that big, sort of. It's not huge to be honest. So that's gluten-free, 69 calories per bar. So that's another one of those, you know, you can actually, each of those products you can just chuck it in your bag and then just enjoy it on you know, when you go out or when you're at work or when you need a snack or, you know, anything. You know, this is really nice. So I never tried those, but I think that those are like a new thing. If I like it, I would definitely buy more. I'm not really sure how it's gonna turn up, but I definitely love those, that one and that one, and obviously a coffee, who doesn't? So this was literally everything and a little envelope in my box, and I'm so happy for Triyit to send me those products, and that I'm able to do the review and try some new stuff. If you wanted to subscribe, if you wanted to take it like a try, or you can go on the profile on the link that will link it down below, so you can go ahead and apply for it as well. It's free of charge, it doesn't cost you anything, and I'm so chuffed. I can't be more happy. You know, free food, we all love it. Free samples. Thank you so much for watching me and for subscribing to my channel, staying with me for such a long time. And yeah, that's everything that I had in my Triyit box. I hope I'll get more of those, so then I can review it on my channel and you can see what's inside. All my social media will be linked down below. There will be few stuff coming up on my channel and on my Instagram, so all of those and discount codes will be linked down below, so you can go ahead and, you know, have a look, have a swipe. You might save some penny if you want to. If you don't, that's fine. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.